In this demo, you'll see how AI is embedded across the Raindrop platform, helping teams ask questions, summarize information, and take action instantly. From contracts to supplier management and purchase requests to invoices, this is AI designed to do real work. This demo gives you an overview of how AI works throughout Raindrop, from answering questions to summarizing information to taking action across workflows. I'll start on the Raindrop homepage by asking Rain, our AI agent, to show me invoices that are currently on hold. The results are returned instantly, allowing me to focus on the issues that matter most. Using the intuitive, user-friendly interface, I can easily adjust the view, dragging in important columns like invoice amount and sorting by value, so I can prioritize the highest impact items first. I can even view messages and information about the record I'm on without leaving the page. If I have another question, even about a completely different area like contracts, I don't need to leave the system or log into another application. I can simply ask Rain. Here, I ask about expiring contracts. Rain responds by asking how soon they're expiring, giving me a few options to choose from. I select one and immediately receive a sortable, searchable dashboard, just like before. From here, I can drill into the details. When I see a contract that looks important, instead of reading the entire document, I ask Rain to summarize it for me. Based on the contract type, Rain pulls out the most relevant information, an overview of the agreement, key terms, termination details, and most importantly, the critical information I need to know. To go deeper, I can review a contract in red lines and run a risk analysis. Rain highlights areas of concern using a clear red, yellow, and green assessment, calling out terms I should pay attention to. I can even replace clauses with alternative language suggested by the system or ask the risk assistant questions directly inside the document, like identifying the grounds for termination. Let Rain manage the back and forth that would have been countless email exchanges with your legal department. That means you can focus on quickly getting this agreement to your partner to kick off the real work. Another powerful feature is the ability to search across all of your contracts for specific terms or clauses you want to monitor, without opening each document individually. Rain can also take action on my behalf. For example, when I need to work with a prospective supplier or partner, I can ask Rain to create an NDA. Instead of going through a lengthy legal review, the system automatically applies the right conditions and generates the agreement. There is direct integration with document signing tools, or use Rain Sign and send it directly to my partner for signature. Rain can also help users get what they need. Here, someone is asking for a laptop. The user is presented with a list of approved options and can review information, including a set of rich images. They can then select directly from the page and add it to the cart. Information for the requester is automatically defaulted. You can also track the approval workflow to see exactly where the request stands. If I need something that isn't available in the catalog, I can ask Rain to create a spot buy. Rain suggests suppliers based on the commodity, checks pricing online, and automatically populates a request. In this instance, it's a purchase order. Based on our approval rules, the order is routed either directly to the supplier or through procurement. Getting a complete view of your suppliers is critical. In one place, I can view and sort all suppliers using the ribbon on top based on common supplier segmentation, or I can create my own. I can also easily drill into individual suppliers to see all related contracts, sourcing events, invoices, and payments. If I need additional context, information that would normally take time to research, I can ask for advanced supplier insights. Rain returns a clear summary with general information, industry classification, ratings, and a risk assessment, complete with supporting sources. Finally, when I'm looking for new suppliers, I can use supplier discovery. By entering criteria like commodity, location, and revenue requirements, the system returns a ranked list of suppliers, each with a risk rating, explanation, and supporting data. This saves time and ensures decisions are based on accurate, up-to-date information. This is how AI works inside Raindrop, not as a feature, but as a foundation. From insight to execution, Rain helps teams move faster, reduce risk, and focus on the work that drives real outcomes.